The artificial intelligence market is expected to grow at a compound annual rate of 34% over the next decade. The estimated value is around $16 trillion by 2030. In recent months, the world has gotten a first-hand look at the remarkable advances in AI technology, such as the public launches of OpenAI's ChatGPT and Google's Bard AI chatbot. You have to realize that virtually every industry will be disrupted by AI, automation, and robotics. This will ultimately transform how we view, create, and absorb information moving forward. There's still massive potential for crazy returns on AI stocks, so in this video I'll be going over the 6 AI stocks that you will regret missing out on. All of these stocks are in position to absolutely explode from this artificial intelligence boom. The first company with massive projects in AI is none other than Tesla. I'm sure you expected this company on today's list, and for good reason. Tesla is a company that has created independent vehicles with nearly fully self-driving capabilities. They've recorded millions of hours of test data captured from every Tesla out on the streets. Tesla continues to improve their autonomous algorithms, which tackle real world situations from day to day. In my opinion, Tesla's genius move was to leverage video instead of radar because video is so much more transferable and is much more human like. Now, I personally think that there's a big misunderstanding of what type of company Tesla actually is. Most people see all these shiny Tesla cars and think the company is just a car company. Now, Tesla does use their cars for furthering their AI, and every single person who owns a Tesla car is part of the big experiment. In the future, when autonomous robots take over labor intensive jobs, who will have the technology readily available to take advantage of these innovations? Tesla. Or when flying cars come into play, who will be ahead of the competition in terms of AI, mapping, and automation? That's right. Tesla will. Tesla's performance year to date sits at around 142% with no dividends and has a current stock price of $261. I personally hold Tesla and will be holding Tesla for a long time. Next up, we have Nvidia. Nvidia is well known as a manufacturer of graphics cards, but they do so much more. The main reason that they have so much to gain from AI is that we all know that AI is a set of algorithms made up within a packaged program, and there are a lot of software companies creating these programs, but in order for them to grow and scale, they need hardware like Nvidia's GPU to be the backbone of the computing power in order to digest all those vast amounts of data. Nvidia also offers a service called Nemo, which provides generative AI models for enterprise use for companies to build their own solutions. Nvidia also has a partnership with Medtronic to create an AI platform for software-defined medical devices using Nvidia's proprietary Holoscan. The main point here is that Nvidia is creating partnerships across several different industries, and these are all industries that will fuel massive growth in the next decade, and this makes Nvidia a key company to invest in. Year to date, the S&P 500 is up 16%, while Nvidia is up 195%, and it offers a dividend of 16 cents annually per share, and the current stock price is at around $423. Another massive company that makes today's list is none other than Alphabet. Most of you watching will be familiar with the Google brand and its search engine. Google has been making a large push into AI with their Google Assistant, which can be seen as a direct competitor to the Amazon Alexa, where you can command the speaker to answer questions or interact with its owner. Alphabet has worked to incorporate AI into many of their services, such as Photos, Search, Maps, and Translate. I'm sure you remember when they first introduced their own chatbot, Bard, and how much backlash they received. But I personally believe that Alphabet will have Bard tuned up and improved in no time. They also have a Google Cloud platform that provides a range of AI-powered services to businesses, including analytics tools, machine learning APIs, and cloud-based AI platforms. Alphabet also has a subsidiary called DeepMind, which is a leading AI research company working on computer vision and natural language processing. Some notable projects from DeepMind include AI applications for healthcare to help with predicting patient outcomes and developing new drug treatments. AI will impact every single industry and create an impact for everyone at once. Google Class A stock has a year-to-date performance of 34%, has no dividend, and its current share price sits at $119. I personally own many shares of Alphabet and plan to continue to add to my portfolio in the foreseeable future. The next AI stock is none other than Amazon. Amazon CEO Andy Jassy recently announced that Amazon as a company is investing and will continue to invest heavily into AI moving forward. Amazon currently has something called Amazon Bedrock, which is a service that is offered to its customers to give them the ability to use Amazon's foundational models to create their own programs for businesses. Amazon is also leveraging AI to create tools such as Code Whisperer to assist with programmers writing code on the fly. They are also implementing AI with their retail business to improve their ad platform for their vendors. Amazon Alexa is also another advantage Amazon has over its competitors. Amazon also has their cashierless automated shopping through Amazon Go. Last but not least, Amazon's Project Kuiper is a program that plans to develop and launch their own set of satellites to provide reliable and fast internet globally. This is really important because Amazon's businesses span from AWS to retail. If they can provide internet for the masses, that means they can bring a bigger customer base into their ecosystem. system. Amazon's stock performance year to date sits at around 51% with no dividend and has a current share price of $130. Amazon is constantly diversifying their businesses, and using AI will give them a greater chance at success. Microsoft has created some true disruption when they decided to include ChatGPT in their Bing search engine. Google has dominated the search engine space for the past few decades with a 90% share, but Microsoft's inclusion of ChatGPT has started conversations with Samsung to make Bing the default browser for their new phones. They're also incorporating AI into Office 365 programs to be more like an assistant called Microsoft 365 Copilot. I expect Microsoft to renovate their Office software over time where users will be able to become far more productive because it's going to have a lot more AI features. I can also imagine a time where you can have a spreadsheet where you can make requests to Excel to provide options for analytics without having to be an expert in all those formulas. Microsoft is also leveraging AI with its Azure web services, and this provides a suite of tools for companies and developers to create their own machine learning models and solutions. Every company moving forward will need to find ways to implement AI to find an advantage over their competitors, and they'll need to rely on services such as Azure to help them do so. This is why I expect Microsoft to benefit greatly from the AI boom in the long term. Microsoft is up 42% year to date and offers a dividend of $2.72 per share annually, and the current share price sits at around $340. The next AI stock is Meta, which owns companies such as Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and Oculus VR. Meta's AI integration mostly comes from their ads platforms and Reels on their social networks, and implementing AI into their business has allowed Meta to see massive growth in their ad revenue at the beginning of this year. Meta is also planning to branch out and have AI help businesses with customer support through bots, along with business advertising and ad creation on all of their platforms. Meta has seen a big turnaround from their lows from last year, and they don't seem to want to stop. Meta's year-to-date return sits at 130% with no dividends, and the current share price sits at around $286. If Meta is able to double down and continually invest into AI, they have a great chance of doing very well. The total spend on AI systems is forecasted to be around $98 billion in 2023, up from $38 billion in 2019. With the AI market still growing very rapidly, companies that take advantage of this AI boom will profit massively. Although picking stocks in a growth industry may come with some uncertainty, the AI stocks mentioned in today's video have great potential to do very well and all are worth considering. That is it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Paul and I talk all things money on this channel, so if you enjoyed today's video, please smash that like button and subscribe for more future videos, as it helps me out so much at no cost to you. As always, your life is a masterpiece, so let's unlock your full financial potential together. Catch you in the next video. Take care.